Good morning and welcome to this course. I'm going to briefly guide you through this course so that way you understand how to use everything. So this is your home screen. On your home screen you have your announcements. It gives you assignment notifications as well as the discussions. If you click show more, you can go to those assignments or announcements and read through them. So this one that I'm showing you right now is the first announcement that you will see. It's for the welcome to the course. So this is what you'll be looking at for week 1. Over here you can find your syllabus. So if you click this link, it will bring you straight to the syllabus. I advise that you read through that, and that way you understand everything that will be expected of you throughout this course. Next, we have our modules. For our modules, we have a total of 4 different modules. These modules will go with our grading period. So we have 4 quarters in a school year, so there are 4 different modules. In Module 1, this is the first one that we will be looking at for grading period 1. We're going to be talking mainly about affixes. So with this, I want you to go through everything and just get a brief idea of what you're going to be doing. Of course, not all of this is due in week 1. What I want you to do is look up here at the top. You have 1 point and then a number. The first number where it says 1 shows you that that is for module 1. After the decimal point, we have another number. So for example, this one says 1.1. That means that everything for 1.1 will be due for the first week of this course. And then you move on to 1.2. The 1.2 numbers are all things that are due for week 2, and so on from there. If you have any questions, you can contact me at any time. Okay, here you can find your assignments if you don't want to look at the modules. These are a list of all the different assignments that you will be doing. Of course, we will be adding to this as well. You can also find your discussions. They're listed here. Quizzes, right here. And then this is where you can look at your grades. Over here we have our conferences at the bottom of the page. This is for our first conference. This is for the course orientation. So this is where we're going to meet for the first time together, and we're going to go over everything for this course. Throughout each week, you will also be expected to participate in our weekly web conferences. This way we get to interact with one another and we get to see each other in a face-to-face environment and work on those communication skills. If you ever have any questions, we can always work together to set up our own web conference. You can always email me and contact me through Canvas, as well as meet with me face-to-face. My office hours are on my syllabus, so if you go back there, you can read that to get a better idea. I look forward to working with you.